Today, we'll see how to use the Copilot AI Assistant on mobile. First of all, install the Copilot app from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Once the installation is completed, tap on the app icon to open it. Once the app is open, you will land on the homepage where you can see the Copilot chat screen. This chat page allows you to ask questions, get help, or generate different types of content easily. However, to access Copilot's free features, you need to sign in first. So, from the top right corner, tap on the Sign In button. Here, you can sign in using a Microsoft account, Apple ID, or a Google account. I will continue with Google, but you can choose any option that suits you. Once signed in, new users will be asked to provide some basic details, such as their date of birth. Select your correct date of birth and tap on the Continue button to complete the account setup. After that, you will be redirected back to the chat page, and now you can start conversations with Copilot AI on any topic to get relevant responses. Copilot AI is fast and reliable, although it is always recommended to verify important details on your own. At the bottom of the chat screen, tap on the plus icon to access more tools, including the camera option to take a picture, photos to import images from your phone's gallery, and files to upload documents. You will also see an image generation tool that allows you to create images based on your prompts. In addition, you can create drafts, start deep research, create podcasts, or begin a quiz session. For example, if you choose the image creation option, simply describe the image you want in the prompt box. I will type wall art and hit Enter to start the process. It will take a few moments, and Copilot will generate an image based on your description. As you can see, the wall art image has been successfully created, and the quality looks realistic as well. Now, from the bottom menu, tap on the navigation icon, and it will open a Discover page where you can explore blogs on different topics based on your interests. Next, tap on the double box icon to access your work and media history, where you can find previously generated images, pages, research work, and podcasts. By tapping on the pencil icon, you can start a new conversation with Copilot at any time. From the bottom left corner, tap on the three lines icon to open the sidebar, where you will find the same options available in one place. Finally, tap on your account name at the bottom of the sidebar to open your profile, where you can view your account details, manage app settings, and explore other options. This is how you can use the Microsoft Copilot AI app efficiently on your mobile phone. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more such videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.